Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying hardware and enabling the radio. Open Device Manager to confirm an adapter exists. If it's missing, the driver is the issue. Once done, turn Bluetooth on in Settings or the Action Center so Windows can scan. Make sure the peripheral is charged and in pairing mode and stay within about 10 meters. This reduces interference and speeds discovery. You're initiating the link. The why is simple. Windows needs a visible adapter and an active device to exchange pairing keys. Now you pair and resolve driver-level issues. Go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, then add Device, pick Bluetooth and select your gadget. Accept any PIN prompts. If the device doesn't appear, update or reinstall the adapter driver from Device Manager to fix compatibility or corrupted files. Also, make sure Bluetooth support service is set to automatic and running. If it's stopped, Windows won't manage connections. These steps force Windows to handle profiles and audio codecs, which is why drivers and services matter. Finish by assigning the device roles and ensuring system updates are applied. Set your headset or speaker as the default in sound settings and select input devices for microphones. This ensures apps use the connected hardware. Run Windows Update to fetch OEM firmware and stack fixes that improve stability. If connections fail, run the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter. If that fails, disable and re-enable the adapter in Device Manager or reboot. A simple adapter reset often clears stateful pairing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.